day at the outdoor range. Super excited. We're doing archery today. I just got a bow a month ago, so here we go. Okay. Check it out. That grouping.
From 50 meters.
Yeah, 50 meters. Wink, wink.
First day at the range. This range is sweet. I think it goes out to 50 meters, which is awesome. So we're gonna shoot at 20, see how we do. It'll be good to check the form.
At the 50-meter gun range now at the same facility. This is the first time Luke will be shooting his .22 rifle, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve. We've already realized we need to bring a staple gun to set up our paper targets or some tacks because these are wood boards. So here we go. Safety first, everybody. We got our hearing protection. I've got regular small plugs in my ears and safety goggles when we're shooting at the range. You can see that we have the curtain down anytime somebody's going down range and nobody's allowed to shoot. Safety guys.